Alright, good morning. GoPros in their little floaties going kayaking this morning. Supposed to be manatees in the water, potentially some gators, so we're gonna have a little fun. Alright, bring you on the trip with us. Peace out.
There's Joey paddling away.
Looking for gators. We're out looking for gators. Right, Maddie? We're out looking for gators.
Yep. And dolphins.
And dolphins.
Hard work.
You got like a hunting kayak.
I know, I feel like I'm karma.
Hi, sweet lady. Did you pick out a boat?
Yes.
Okay.
We picked up that one.
Okay. I like it.
Moving Monday.
Okay, perfect. She's crazy. No tan lines. I like that. Damn tourist in the water.
Behind where you were. Yeah, when we were, like, we stopped at one point. It's like, I kept saying to Joe, I go, are they behind us? Because I can't even, like, stop paddling. Turn around. Yeah, turn around.
Maddie, we didn't tell you this before we went out, but the last person in has to buy lunch. And drinks. And more drinks.
Oh my God.
Wow, there's live oysters in there, squirting out that water. So weird. Okay, there you have it.
Yeah.